Hi everyone, welcome to Cock Channel. Today, let's make this adorable little corgi together. It's very easy to make, and anyone can do it. Let's get started. First, connect 3 golden brown pipe cleaners together. Then wrap them around a pen. Wrap 1 white pipe cleaner in the same way. Thread a white pipe cleaner through the center of both coils. Pull it toward the end, then twist tightly. Trim off the excess, then tuck the wire end inside. Connect 2 golden brown pipe cleaners and wrap them around a pen. Repeat the same steps with 1 white pipe cleaner. Cut the white coil in half. Thread 1/2 through each side, pull them toward the end, then twist tightly. Next, thread it through the center like this, apply glue, and secure it in place. Adjust the shape until it looks even and balanced. Twist tightly, then trim off the excess pipe cleaner. Fold the wire end inward. Next, roll a small circle and glue it to the center of the face. Glue on the eyes and nose. Carefully singe away the loose fibers, then bend the pipe cleaner to make the mouth. Glue the mouth securely in place. Shape a small triangle and fill in the center to make an ear. Fold it like this, then add white and dark pink pipe cleaners. Trim off the excess and adjust the length. Make another ear in the same way, then glue both ears onto the head. Fold a 1.3 cm piece of pipe cleaner. Roll the pieces to make 2 arms. Then glue both arms in place. Next, roll 2 small circles like this to make the feet. Then glue both feet in place. Roll a pipe cleaner into a small curl to make the tail. Glue the tail onto the back. Add a little blush. And our little corgi is finished. Save this video and give it a try. See you in the next video.